To automatically play a video in PowerPoint, select the video you want to play. Then go to the Animations tab in the toolbar. By default, the Start option is set to On Click, meaning the video will only play when you manually click on it. To change this, click on the drop-down menu next to Start and select After Previous. This setting allows the video to start playing automatically when you transition to the slide it's on, immediately after the previous slide. To test this, simply present your slideshow and navigate to the slide with the video. It should play automatically without requiring a manual click. This feature can be particularly useful for animations and other multimedia elements. To enable automatic playback, ensure the video is selected. Then navigate to the Animations tab and adjust the Start setting to After Previous.